Let me show you how to use Circle to Search with Google. The Circle to Search feature only seems to work on certain phones at the minute. From what I can gather, Circle to Search is available on some Samsung phones like the Samsung S24, and it is also available for some Pixel phones. I'm using the Google Pixel 6. Google Circle to Search works with any app on your phone. Let me show you a few examples of how I use Google Circle to Search. Long press on the gesture line at the bottom of your screen. You will see an animation appear on your screen. Now all you have to do is use your finger to draw a circle around the object or subject that you're wanting to find out more about. As you can see, when I circle the first image, I can get other websites that are selling this same fleece for different prices, but I can refine my search by tapping on the search bar at the top and adding more words or phrases to detail my search. Now let me show you another example of using Google Circle to Search. Here I'm on Amazon and I've picked a random book that I want to use with Circle to Search option. Long press on the line at the bottom of the screen to bring up the animation again and circle around the object. It's okay if you don't fully draw the circle correctly, because you can adjust the corners of it like so. Now you can see that I can buy this book a lot cheaper than Amazon. To make sure you have enabled the Circle to Search feature, go to your settings on your phone, type in Circle to Search in the search bar, and just depending on whether you use gestures or buttons for your navigation, just tap on whichever option applies to you, and that is how to enable the Circle to Search feature with Google.